Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is DG Chef from the stables. Today is a very special day for us. Our daughter Seerat, who's also a chef, is visiting us from Boston. This episode is to us, Three Finger Pinch and DG Chef. Very excited to share our moments of pride, excitement, and blessings.
Hello, so today we're gonna make a really simple dessert, which is a mango chamomile tiramisu. And we thought we'd do chamomile, which is like a detox instead of normally the typical caffeine. So we have so many mangoes at the farm. So what mango is this?
So we are using a very typical mango from North India called the Dasheri. But the farm also has mangoes like Baganfali, Chausa and Langda. And all of them had a bumper crop this year. But let's do the tiramisu. I'm super excited.
So a tiramisu is essentially just layers of your favorite ingredients. So here I'm taking some ladyfingers and dipping them in chamomile tea. The chamomile we do grow at the farm, so it's extra special. And then you want to layer, the next layer is a mango puree, which you just take the mangoes and you make a simple puree with them. For texture, I like to add a few diced mangoes. It just breaks up that one texture. And then the next one, we take some whipped mascarpone with heavy cream and a little bit of sugar. And there you have your 3 layers. And then you can keep repeating these 3 layers in whatever order you choose. I love making this table side as well. You can make it in a larger dish with your friends. And people really love watching it, and it comes together so easily. Top it with some fresh sliced mangoes and a little bit of chamomile tea, and it's done. So simple, so easy, and look how beautiful it looks on a table. Enjoy, it's my absolute favorite dessert.